Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I share recipes for delicious and healthy dishes. Today we're making a light and delicious salad with arugula, Iberico ham and peaches. You'll find even more delicious salad recipe ideas right here on our channel. Take 1 large peach or 2 small peaches. You can also use any seasonal fruit. In winter, you can use persimmons, as we did today. But in the original recipe, only peaches are used. Drizzle with oil and sprinkle with pepper. Bake the fruit for 10 minutes at 200 degrees. You can also use a grill or a frying pan. You'll need 1 burrata, Iberian ham, a handful of arugula, salt, pepper, and spices to taste. Arrange the arugula. Add the fruit to the arugula, tear the burrata into pieces and place them on top. Add the ham on top, then season with salt and spices to taste. Enjoy this delicious and healthy salad. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!